Hi everyone, my name is Eliza at MBI. In today's video, I'll be teaching you colors in French. French colors can exist in masculine and feminine form. The gender of the object to be used in a sentence will determine the gender of the color to be used. Les couleurs, colors. Allons-y, let's go. Noir, noir, black. Noir, noir, black. Blanc, blanche, white. Blanc, blanche, white. Rouge, rouge, red. Rouge, rouge, red. Rose, rose, pink. Rose, rose, pink. Violet, violet. Purple, violet, violet. Purple, jaune, jaune. Yellow, jaune, jaune. Yellow, vert, vert. Green, vert, vert. Green, gris, gris, gray. Gris, gris, gray. Orange, orange. Orange, orange, orange. Orange. Bleu, bleu, blue, bleu, bleu, blue. Brown, brown, brown. Brown, brown, brown. Question time. What color is this? What color is this? Bravo, you're correct. Noir, noir. Oui. Number 2. What color is orange? Orange. Bravo, great. Number 3. Identify this color. Excellent. Vert, vert. Oui. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe so that you can get notified anytime I post new videos. Au revoir. Bye.